Well, welcome back everybody. I want to give you a little tour of a 600 square foot cottage that I built a few years ago, about 6 years ago. And thought I'd give you a tour and show you a little bit on the outside and also the inside. So what this is a 600 square foot pole barn, little cottage slash house. I actually built this for my mother-in-law. My father-in-law passed away and she moved in with us, and she was going to be needing a place to stay on her own. So I decided to go ahead and build this, and one thing happened, and that thing is years ago she had cancer, and her cancer came back when she moved in with us, and she never did have an opportunity to move into the inside, but she did get to see it almost completed. So I thought I'd bring you guys along, kind of show you the whole works. So it's a metal pole barn exterior, 600 square feet. It's built on a monolithic concrete slab. And if you guys want to look that up, you're more than welcome to. The footer of this is 18 inches by 18 inches. And I've put 4 strands of 1/2-inch rebar all the way around the exterior. And then there's a 4-inch slab that joins the footer that runs throughout the middle. And there is no post in the ground on this. I did build the exterior walls with 2x6 studs. And the reason I did that was I wanted to ensure that this was extremely efficient. So I was able to go R19 in the walls with the 2x6 wall, and then I've got R40 in the roof, and that's a 312 pitch roof. And I went ahead and put Tyvek underneath the exterior metal. And it is extremely easy to heat and cool this. Extremely easy. It's just phenomenal what it does. So let's go take a look on the inside. Let's check it out. So you walk into the kitchen area. Has a nice little kitchen, little gas cook stove. And I kept an open floor plan on this. This would be the living room area. And what I want to do is keep the living room and bedroom area together in case for some reason my wife had to come over and take care of my mother-in-law while she was here. So what I did was I just built a half wall in between. That way Bronca could keep an eye on her mother. And this would be the bedroom area. And that air conditioner up there is, I believe it's a 6,000 BTU air conditioner. And that's all that's needed for this cottage. It does extremely well. And this here's the washer and dryer. Nice little roomy. And on the back side of this, I've actually got a small little utility room that you can have access to. I went ahead and put a sliding door into the bathroom just because of the fact that with a small unit that this is, it just gives you more room. You have to worry about a door swinging, which is really nice. It's got a double sit-down shower. And here's the back side of the washer and dryer, which is super nice because you can have easy access to it. Gas hot water heater, breaker panel and some more shelves. So easy access. So there is definitely plenty of room for a single person or a young couple. And the only thing I have to heat this are these little heaters right here. They're a little infrared quartz heater, and I keep one there. And as you saw, the other one back there in the main bedroom. And those two right there keep this place nice and toasty. Even, I mean, we've seen low single digits to 0 here, and there's no issues keeping this place nice and warm. Underneath, you know, besides the 2x6 and the R19, it's R40 in the roof area and the 312 pitch area. And basically, I built this thing 100% myself. The only thing that I did not do was I paid a good friend of mine to come over, and he finished the drywall. He was a drywall finisher. And I did a knockdown finish on the drywall. I don't know if you guys, let's see if this camera can pick it up, but it's a knockdown finish. And one of our homes that we had lived in before had the knockdown finish, and we absolutely love it. It's great. So I hung the drywall, insulated it, poured the concrete, put the metal on, built the walls, electrical, plumbing, you name it, it was done. And I was able to build this 600 square foot cottage for right at $18,000. That's what I have in it. And I've never built a living structure in my life. I've built a couple of pole barn garages for myself, but this is the first actual living quarters that I've ever built. And it took me a while. It took me about 1 year to do. I drew out the plans on a scratch pad and double checked all my figures and double checked it and triple checked it and quadruple checked it. And then I just started building it. And this is what it turned out to be. There's no plans. I just figured it up. And it turned out great. So since my mother-in-law wasn't able to move in, we've had families that requested to live here while they had some house, built a house. We've helped out a couple other people going through some tough times in their life. And then when my kids got old enough, my daughter, she graduated high school, started college, she moved in here. And then my son did this exact same thing. And now it's vacant for the first time in 6 years, believe it or not. But it's been a great project, and it's helped out a lot of different people. And we've helped out 3 different families and 2 of my kids. And it's been great. I was always wondering what in the world I was going to do with it. I thought, man, I built this thing. And since my mother-in-law was not able to move into it, I'm like, why in the world did I build it? But let me tell you what, it's been good. And been able to help other people. And it's just been great. And it's well worth it. I'll just put it that way. Well worth it. So if you're ever thinking about building something and you don't know whether or not you can, you can. You can. Just takes a lot of research, a lot of hard work, and a little bit of know-how, and you can teach yourself anything that you want to, as long as you put your mind to it. So here you go, guys. Thought I'd give you some ideas out there. Somebody maybe wanting to build a small little home, and or a little hunting cabin, cottage, whatever. But thanks for coming along, and we'll catch y'all later. If you got any questions, put it down in the comments. I'll do my very best to help you out. And all I can tell you is how I did it. So I'm not a construction guy. I'm not a plumber, not an electrician, but I'm just a jack of all trades, and it came out pretty good. So, hey, God bless you guys, and we'll catch you soon on some more videos coming. See you later. Bye.